What's up, Old Souls fam? Today is the day we're finally getting tires for the EM1 rims for the Del Sol. God damn, I can't wait. Let's go get these tires. Alright, so I'm on my way to the tire shop. These already would have been on the car, but the shop doesn't open till 9. Like, what kind of tire shop doesn't open till 9? Get there and open at 7 a.m. I got shit to do today. So, yeah, but man, been waiting for this day for a long time. Super pumped about it. So, boy, whew, can't wait to get those Fat 5 rims off the Del Sol. Super pumped. It's not that I don't like the Fat 5 rims. Hot take, I hate the Fat 5 rims. I don't know. Probably gonna ruffle some feathers, but they might be the worst OEM Honda rims Honda's ever made. I just can't stand them. Maybe because they've always been on my Del Sol and I've never had anything else on the car. But boy, I just couldn't imagine painting my Del Sol, getting it all done, all that work, and then having the paint look all nice and new, and then still having the Fat 5 rims on there. I couldn't bring myself to it. All right, well, they're super busy today, so I am like number 8 in line to get my tires mounted on the rims, so I dropped them off. And I guess we'll get them later. So we're gonna pick this up in a little bit. Oh snap! I got the tires mounted to the rims. I went home and mowed the lawn. I let the kids run through the sprinkler, you know, dad's stuff. And now we're heading home. Got to clean up these rims a little bit just from the whole process. Shit. Let's throw these bad boys on and get the Fat 5s off, huh? God, I'm so excited. It has been forever. Or as the cool kids say, a hot minute. So, alright, let's do this. Alrighty, everybody. It's Thursday, the next day. We got to get these Fat 5s off here. Finally, for the first time since I've owned the Del Sol. I can't believe they're coming off. Unbelievable. Putting the EM1 rims on with my new Toyo proxies on there. Simple tools, really easy to do. Shit, there's not much to say. Let's do it. All right, so a little rundown. First off, originally just had the OEM lug nuts on here. I don't know. You all know those. Then I thought I was cool, and I bought some 6-speed lug nuts, which are fucking garbage. Like, they're terrible. Throw those bad boys away. I bought some new OEM black lug nuts to go on there. So those will look really nice. I got that whole set right there. A little controversial topic here. I bought some of these. Roast me in the comments below. It's fine. I'm going to lube those bad boys up really good. Those are going to match those really nice. And I'll continue to lube up the valve stem covers as much as possible so they don't lock on there and I have to change them all out. Okay, that's all out of the way. Let's do this.
Keep it cool, let it shiver. You're not a fool, let it glimmer.
Alright, so pretty much everything underneath here is stock. Bone stock. Done nothing to it. The only thing that I've done twice a year, every single year I've had the Del Sol, is undercoat my wheel wells. And I've done the 18-year-old Fast and the Furious. Every fanboy kid needs red calipers. I wish I could get actual red calipers. That'd be great. But not in the books right now. But eventually, all of this needs to be redone. I mean, all of it. Every single thing on here. I have no idea how old it is. I have no service record of the previous owner. I mean, it could be 25 years old. I don't know. So, that's kind of a rundown under there, but on all four wheel wells, I've done the exact same thing. So, let's get these on there.
Step away, breathe it on in. Another day.
Oh man, I'm so pumped to have those on the car. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I don't know. They're just way better, in my opinion. Let's get it down and let's tire dress the tire, and should be good to go. Alright, so I really like tire and trim gel from Chemical Guys, and I just used a little pad here, but dang, I'm so excited. I can't stand it. There's a little bit of dog hair on it, but ain't no big deal. Boy. Yeah, buddy. Snap, they're on. Oh man, what a difference. Holy buckets. New, old, bleh. Yes. Dang, oh sick. Oh, I love that so much better. So much better, it's not even funny. Way better. Oh boy. Okay, now let's do the other three. I don't think I'm going to show you that. Maybe a huge time lapse, but you already saw me do one. It's fine.
We can't take it. It's not enough to leave me shaking. It's not enough to leave me breaking through.
Yo, this looks way better. Like, that is super, super, way better than those things. So, this is what I wanted, just because once I paint this thing, I'm going to feel a lot better about it. But I got to get my windows re-tinted, the front windshield tinted. It's going to be Misty Green Pearl, which is a new HRV color. It's a really dark, like forest green metallic. So I think those rims, for the time being, are going to look really good. I really like all the red accents. I still got to cut in my side markers, which are right here. But everything is going to be red. So red reflector, red side markers, the red accents, the red tail lights, the red third brake light. I kind of just want like this red accent theme going. So that's going to be cool. It looks good with the sun top. Oh, there's another sun top. I haven't announced that one yet, but we made another one. That's number 2. We're moving along, guys. But yeah, that was 2 years of me working on my Del Sol, saving up money, redoing rims, all that kind of crazy stuff to get to that point right there. Super, super pumped, guys. But sometimes it just takes longer to get stuff done, but damn, that looks way better. I'm super pumped about that. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. It's starting to take shape a little bit. We're getting there. I'm feeling a lot better now that those rims are on, so I'm really pumped about that. Don't forget, we announced our OldSols Southeast Meet 2. That is September 19th at the Back of the Dragon in Virginia. So, noon to 4 p.m. I hope to see you all there. I'm going to be there this year. More details to follow. I'll probably put out a vlog just about the whole event and whatnot and everything like that. So, but as long as things hold out, we're going, man. So, really pumped about that. But, damn, I mean, like a weight off my back getting these rims on. I really wanted to save them, redo them. I really like the shape. Pretty pumped about it. All right, guys. Until next time. Peace.